Hi there. In this video I'm going to talk about a new application I have developed recently. It's called Quick Section View. This is an additional tool to what we have in the program as a half section view. In my opinion, it gets the half section somewhat faster and easier rather than the standard tool. So let's begin. If I look, well, actually the application is represented with a single button. It works the same way in the assembly environment and the same way in the part environment. If I look at the model from the left side and click at the button, I get section view right in the middle of this assembly. The section view is taken from one of the origin workplanes, which one Inventor automatically identifies by the way you look at the model. So if I look at this on this model from the top, I have another section, and if I look at this model from back, I get the section from a different origin workplane. If I want to take a section at the middle of this bearing, for example, I need to pre-select it and then click the button, and the section is built at one of its origin base planes. And the same way, and it works the same way also. If you look at this model from this side, then we have another section. We can also choose not only parts, we can choose also faces and edges. For example, I can select the edge of one of the washers and just hit the button and receive the section view at the axis of these fasteners. If I look at it from the different angle, I have another section. We can select cylindrical, conical, and torus faces, as well as circular and arc edges. If, for example, we take the line, the straight line, then we will get the section right at the middle of that line, perpendicular to it. So if I want to cut this cap, I just select the edge and click the button, and I get the section right at the middle of that edge. And I didn't mention, but I hope you already noticed that this button have a reverse function. It brings the assembly view to normal state. As a standard Inventor tool, we can also select any workplanes and get a quick section. Also, we can select planar faces as well. The same principle applies to work in the part environment. I can select this edge and receive the quick section. If I do not select anything, I will get the section right at the base planes, depending on how we look at the model. So I think that basically all of what I wanted to say. We can make section one by one, not going back to the full assembly view. I will leave the link to the trial version of this application in the description below this video. When you install it, please make sure that Inventor doesn't block this application, so these boxes have to be checked. Thank you very much for attention. I hope see you next time. Bye bye.